HostColor promotes open source web hosting control panels. In an effort to show its support and appreciation for the free and open source software, FOSS, projects that develop and deliver web hosting service management control panels, HostColor.com, HC, announced an open source projects support program. Starting from January 1, 2023, HostColor will start donating a fixed amount for each shared web hosting account that uses an open source web hosting management control panel. The donation to the open source control panel developer will increase 10 times when customers choose to use its server management software on a virtual private server hosted on standalone physical servers or on a public cloud server, delivered from the company's cloud infrastructure. The major producers of server management control panels no longer look committed to providing the LAMP software bundle users and the open source based applications with fair and reasonably priced web hosting automation solutions, says HostColor's CEO Dimitar Avramov. He adds that the producers of the most used server automation control panels have constantly been imposing unjustified price hikes and taking advantage of the web hosting services users. Within the last few years, during the tough economic times, a number of server automation producers are increasing the financial pressure on small and medium businesses, rather than easing it, explains HostColor's executive. According to him, those server automation producers have long been undermining the fundamentals and values of the open source industry and LAMP-based digital economy. We want to raise the users' awareness and tell the small business owners that there are a number of web hosting automation panels that are distributed either with a free or fairly priced license, adds Mr. Avramov. His company believes that the developers of hosting control panels such as CentOS Web Panel, Vesta, Froxler, AA Panel, Webman, Virtualman, Agenti, Centora, Blue Onyx, Easy Hosting Control Panel, EHCP, IMSCP, APISCP, ZellCP, etc. The list of the open source based web hosting control panels, included in the open source projects support program, and the specific amount of the donations are available on the program's webpage and on the cloud services order pages. HostColor.com, HC, has recently announced that it added new one-click backup and restore functionality to its WordPress cloud hosting services. It is available as a free add-on to the HC's self-managed web hosting plans delivered from US and Canadian virtual data centers. It features local backup, one-click restore, direct WordPress site to WordPress site migration, migration clonability, and FTP backups. About HostColor. HostColor.com is a global IT infrastructure and web hosting service provider since 2000. The company has its own virtual data centers, a capacity for provisioning dedicated servers and colocation services in 50 data centers worldwide. Its subsidiary HostColorEurope.com operates cloud infrastructure and delivers dedicated hosting services in 19 European countries. Media contact HostColor.com.